Hello everyone! In this educational video, we are going to learn about 100 real tools used in gardening with pictures. These gardening tools will make your gardening task easier, efficient and fun. So let's get started. Spade, garden fork, shovel, rake, hoe, hand trowel, hand fork, loppers, pruning shears, hedge trimmer, edger, garden scissors, wheelbarrow, garden hose, watering can, sprinkler, soil tester, soil thermometer, soil pH meter, garden gloves, knee pads, garden hat, garden apron, garden shoes, seed spreader, plant labels, garden twine, plant ties, trellis, garden stakes, garden net, bird feeder, bird bath, compost bin, compost thermometer, garden seive, leaf blower, leaf rake, mulch fork, garden cart, garden bed, Cloche, row cover, plant clippers, garden kneeler, garden seat, plant stand, garden boots, grow light, plant tray, seedling heat mat, Garden general. Pruning saw. Lawn mower. Lawn aerator. Grass shears. Weed puller. Weed torch. Weed barrier fabric. Garden sprayer. Drip irrigation system. Hose nozzle. Rain barrel. Rain gauze. Plant mister. Garden vacuum. Garden roller. Garden ladder. Orchid ladder. Plant supports. Fruit picker. Berry picker. Bulb planter. Garden dibber. Garden broom. Garden scoop. Flower scissors. Bonsai tools. Garden knife. Garden claw. Garden ornaments. Seeds. Seedlings. Manure. Fertilizer. Cocoa peat. Garden pebbles. Pesticides. Compost. Flower pots. Gardener. Axe. Garden bins. Sickle. Scythe. Earthworms. Tap. Grow bags. Garden boots. Harvesting basket. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.